Hi, today I will replace the shift knob with a crystal shift knob I bought. I will do this on my BMW I4 M50. I don't know if this is the correct way of doing it, but this is how I've been told to do it, and also it worked very nice for me. Some people have shorted out the gear shift module when doing this, so that's why I feel it's most safe to disconnect the HV battery and the 12 volts battery. Here I disconnect the high voltage battery. It's a switch you can find in the trunk. Just pull it out so you can see the whole opening, and then you get this error message in the screen inside the car. After this you can disconnect the 12 volts battery. First, I clip off the front cover on the shift knob. This is just clipped on. I use a plastic tool to remove it without damaging the shift knob. After this, you can see this flat ribbon cable. There is a black clip here you need to unclip before you can remove the electronics cable from the shift knob. You need to be very careful when you clip off this so you don't damage the cable or the connector. When you have removed this, behind it you can find a T10 torque screw. You need to take this out to remove the shifter. Try to be careful here also so you don't damage the flat connection for the electronics. Then it's time for the new shift knob. Just put it in place. Put the same screw back and tighten it. Carefully reconnect the cable for the electronics. Make sure it's there sits well, and then you can just clip back the locking and the front cover of the gear shifter. Then it's time to reconnect the 12 volts battery. then the high voltage battery switch. I struggle a bit with this in the beginning. I didn't see that there is a locking safety mechanism here. You have to use a small screwdriver to push it away before you can push the switch back in. This is the tab you need to push. Also at the same time you need to push the red part of the switch before you can connect the switch again. And then you're all done. I don't know, like I said, that this is the correct way of doing it, but I was told it's the most safe way to do it, with disconnecting the high voltage battery and the 12 volts battery. I also waited like 10 minutes after disconnecting the battery to make sure the condensators and everything is drained. This is on your own risk. I have heard people killing the gear shift module while doing this, but for me it went all nice and without any problems. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you did, please put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you!